guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my snake gourd green juice. So now, like how it's cold and flu season, you want to take a couple shots of this per week. Also, because of the water content, it's very good to rehydrate your body. This plant here, it's growing on a vine, and it can get up to like 6 feet tall. It's very tall, and you know it can get curly like snake. Now it's packed with a lot of vitamin C, potassium, also help to reduce the blood sugar levels. Also, it's a very good juice for your heart as well. Now to my drink here, I'm going to be adding lime just because I want the drink to be a little bit more refreshing, and also a little piece of ginger because of ginger helps with inflammation. Stick around guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and most of all, subscribe to our channel and try this juice recipe. You can get the plant at your local market. Let's get started. What I'm going to do now is to just cut it open to let it be a little bit more manageable for the juicer. And when you cut it open, it more look hollow, right? And it contains seeds. We're going to remove those seeds. Snake gourd also, you can use it to make your stir fries, and if you're steaming up cabbage and so on, you can include the snake gourd in it. You can also replant these seeds. And to me, it has a similar taste to cucumber. Very nice for stews. It really keep up well. It don't overcook at all. It still maintain its crunchiness. It's not bitter. Very nice to cook with, guys. I did it time to time in my stir fries, and trust me, it's very tasty. I am also going to add the lime juice now. The lime, you don't have to add an entire lime. It's just up to you how you like the flavor of the lime in it. Right, so I'm going to use half. And there you have it guys, a nice glass of snake gourd juice. Very refreshing, similar in taste to cucumber juice. Yes, I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time guys, bye.